Hey guys, happy Thursday. I am going to show you, yesterday you took notes on this paper with me, paused the video hopefully, and took some notes. So today your job is to research and then add your notes to one of the quizzes. So I'm going to turn my computer around. I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you are in your quiz, okay, it's going to look like this. The quiz instructions say copy and paste the table into your essay and fill it out. So what you are going to do is you're going to take your mouse and you are going to click down and you are going to highlight everything, and then you can either right click copy, or what I like to do is Command C. Then you're going to scroll down, and into where you put your answer, you can right click paste, or what I like to do is Command V. And when you paste it in there, this is how you are going to fill out your table. So on this line, if I decided that I wanted to do the desert ecosystem, I could type desert. Some living things in the desert might be a cactus. Make sure to include some plants. Might be cactus, might be different types of lizards, other plants and animals that you can think of or that you research. Non-living, the sand, rocks, okay. And then under here, adaptations, remember that, and use complete sentences on this part. A cactus can store water in order to survive in a dry place like the desert. And that's just one example. You can come up with other examples. Once you do that, then you would hit submit quiz. So I hope that kind of tells you how to get this table into your answer. And once you submit quizzes, your teacher will be able to see and comment on your work. So make sure that you include plants and animals in the living, and then you give some examples of the non-living, and then make sure you talk about the adaptations that they have. So remember, you have to highlight everything on the table, only the table, Command C for copy, come down here to your answer, Command V for paste, and then you can type inside the boxes. Enjoy!